Welcome back to Satellite Data in Action, the podcast where we explore how European research is transforming satellite observations into tools that help us understand and manage our planet.
In the previous episodes, we talked about why satellite data is so important, and we introduced 3 Horizon Europe projects working to unlock its potential: Panorama, GreenEO, and CLEAR-EO.
Today we want to step back and look at the bigger picture. What does all of this research actually mean for society?
One thing that became very clear during the cluster meeting hosted at Darmstadt, Germany, is that Earth observation research is no longer just about scientific discovery.
Exactly. The focus is increasingly on services tools that help governments, organizations, and communities make better decisions.
For example, satellite data can help improve flood forecasting, monitor air quality, track changes in ecosystems, or support agricultural planning.
And what's interesting is that satellites allow us to observe the planet consistently and at large scale, something that would be almost impossible using only ground-based observations.
Another important takeaway from the meeting was the role of collaboration.
Absolutely. None of these projects operate in isolation. They rely on data from large European programs, such as the Copernicus Earth Observation Program and meteorological satellite missions.
And organizations like the European Organization for the Exploitation of Meteorological Satellites play a key role in making those observations available to researchers and service developers.
By bringing projects together, cluster meetings help create connections between different communities, scientists, data specialists, policy experts, and end users.
Which is essential if we want to transform research results into operational tools.
Another aspect raised during the discussions was how Earth observation services support policy objectives.
Yes, particularly in areas related to climate change, environmental protection, and disaster risk management.
Satellite data can provide independent, large-scale, and continuous information that helps track environmental indicators and monitor changes over time.
And this type of information is increasingly important for implementing policies such as the European Green Deal.
It also supports international efforts to address global challenges like climate change, biodiversity loss, and sustainable development.
Looking ahead, it's clear that Earth observation is entering a new phase.
We now have more satellites, more data, and more advanced analytical tools than ever before.
But the real innovation lies in how we combine those elements.
Exactly integrating satellite observations with artificial intelligence, modeling approaches, and other data sources to generate deeper insights.
Projects like Panorama, GreenEO, and CLEAR-EO are part of that evolution.
Another interesting point is that these projects are not just producing individual tools, they are contributing to a growing ecosystem of Earth observation services in Europe.
An ecosystem that connects satellite operators, research institutions, technology developers, policymakers, and users.
And the stronger those connections become, the easier it will be to transform scientific knowledge into solutions that benefit society.
So, over the past 3 episodes, we've explored how satellite data is being transformed into services that help us better understand and manage our planet.
From the development of new analytical tools to the creation of environmental monitoring applications, European research projects are pushing the boundaries of what Earth observation can achieve.
And meetings like this cluster meeting show how collaboration can accelerate innovation across the Earth observation community. Thanks for listening to Satellite Data in Action.
And we hope you'll continue following the exciting developments in Earth observation.